Right, today on our technique video, we are going to show you onions. Seems fairly straightforward, and to some of you it will be, but others of you, it might not be.
Yeah.
So we're going to show you how takeaways prepare the onions and why they do it, and what onions they use.
That's right, they use mostly Spanish onion or Chilean onions.
Yeah, when they're massive. This is actually a small one.
Yeah.
Normally they're probably half the size again.
Yeah, more than 1.5 size of that one.
Yeah, this is and this is a regular onion from the supermarket.
Yeah.
As you can see, completely different. Texture is different. They're more, I'd say, watery and less, like strong.
Yeah, but
if I ate that one like an apple, it'd be gross.
Yeah.
If I ate this one like an apple,
it's sweeter, isn't it?
yeah, it'd be less gross.
Yeah.
Still gross though.
So, should we go ahead with it?
Yeah, we're gonna teach you how to prep the small onion, because chances of you being able to get those ones locally is slim, unless you're in like a big city or something.
Yeah.
Okay, to start with, we have an onion. We always top the onion, and then we core it. And we do that simply by using the end of our knife, usually a cleaver, and we turn. If you don't do this, and you slice it into slices, it kind of like stays together and fans out rather than become individual slices. And you come straight down. This is going to be a very quick video. Isn't it, Mel?
Yeah. Well, we can stretch it.
With what?
Take about half an hour to peel the...
Nothing.
They always fell off.
I hate that. It makes them so difficult to cut fast.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Yeah, mine.
So we're just going to de-skin these ones.
Yeah.
And I am going to slice these ones. So when you do slice these up, you want to essentially find the lines, or as we call it, the grain. You want to find the grain, and then when you cut, you want to cut along with it. This way you get straight slices. When they cook, they maintain that shape. If you don't do that, if you come this way across, what happens here is, because you're gonna what was that?
Huh?
Because you've gone across the grain, it forms those bumpy rainbow looking onions. I mean, there's nothing wrong with them in terms of flavour, it's just aesthetically they're not the same. So that's why we don't do that in a Chinese takeaway. We always slice longwards. Yeah?
Yes, that's right.
So I'm not going to show you how to core it again. I'm just going to peel it. And to get cubes, so simple. This is quite a small one. I wouldn't cut these into 3, but usually if we're having the big one here, I cut it in half, cut them into 4s, and then come down in 3s.
Yeah.
But because it's so small, I'm just probably going to cut it in once in the middle, and come across 3 times.
Yeah.
And one of the best things you can do when you're cooking at home, especially if your wok isn't powerful, is to actually separate these before you put them into the wok.
Yeah, they've got a minor sticking together.
Yeah, sometimes you'll just get a massive chunk and it'll be raw in the middle. And it's so simple, it takes 5 seconds. You can be rough with it, you don't have to be completely take to pieces, but just so that there are 3 or 4 slices in each, or layers in each block.
Yeah, come separate it.
Yeah, so like that.
And we get your flavour in as well.
And that's it. Aside from the fact that some places will actually soak their onions in vinegar and water.
That is to stop it reducing.
And also helps it cure a little bit, so they're not, so they can be added later on to the dish rather than at the beginning. So it's quicker this way, especially in sweet and sour dishes they do it.
Yeah, that's right.
And they won't cook it off first. They'll just add the raw ingredients
Towards the end.
Yeah. Literally dripping here. Is there anything else you want to add about onions?
I think that's about today. I'm really good today. I'm not crying. Normally I'll be crying.
In tears?
It's like no tomorrow.
Yeah, not because I'm sad, but because of the onions.
Yes, the onion is notorious.
Yeah.
It's bad.
Yeah, and we'll get it every time someone goes, have you tried this? And we'll be like, yes, we've tried that. Oh, but if you do this now, I can't wear goggles in the kitchen. Like, and it doesn't work for me either. The goggles don't work. Sometimes the extractor on helps, sometimes it doesn't. We've tried every single medication now.
Yeah.
So
I
yeah.
think that's it. Anything you'd like to know, just comment below and we'll get it back to you.
Yeah, or we'll comment back to you.
Yeah. You know what I mean.
So on that nice, easy note, Mel,
Happy cooking, happy eating. See you next time. Bye.
comment what technique videos you want to see below, because again, that always helps us out. Bye.
Thank you.